So Sprint and ERC partnered up about 4 years ago in promoting a recycling program, and their goal was to become leaders in that sector. Sprint and ERC have partnered to create the wireless industry's leading trade-in program over the last 4 years. Phones recycled and reused have helped Sprint avoid $1 billion in cost. Sprint was named the Dow Jones Sustainability Award Index, and Sprint recognized for breaking the Guinness Book of World Records for the most trades in 1 week, which was pretty good accomplishment. And then ERC is the world's leading trade-in program and distributes globally. Next slide, please. So from the pre-program before, they had a very small program in trade-in. They were about 5% attachment rate in terms of customers that would walk in and trade in their phone. They had about 100 SKUs in terms of the number of phones that they would accept, and they would only accept select Sprint phones that they would use for refurbishment or service and repair. When we came and offered our program, it's grown substantially. Their attachment rate has grown tenfold. The number of SKUs has grown 40-fold. And Sprint is able to remanufacture 9 out of 10 phones that they collect. Next slide. Just some of the impacts on electronics and wireless and recycling. Mobile devices are the biggest contributor to e-waste. Between 20 and 50 million metric tons of e-waste are generated each year. Currently, less than 10% of mobile devices are recycled. And cell phones and accessories are made they're made of valuable resources, right? So recycling them is a good thing for us to reuse those precious metals. Next slide. This is just a real quick ecosystem of how it works. How many people here have actually traded in a phone? 4 years ago, if I had said that, I think I would have seen one hand in the audience. And it's really grown since then. We've seen other carriers launch with this program. We've seen national retail launch with this program. They're now using it past environmental and more for the business in terms of adding value to their business. OEMs are looking at recycle programs, and the ecosystem is really simple. You collect the phone, you evaluate it, you clean it, and you send it back out to other countries and other players that want to reuse phones. Thank you.